Stuck in crypto limbo? Let's break down how to handle those pending Telegram wallet transactions. First, open Telegram and tap the menu icon, those three little lines usually found in the top left corner of your screen. In the menu, look for Wallet and tap on it. This will take you directly to your Telegram wallet interface. Now, locate the pending transaction you're trying to deal with. It should be listed in your transaction history. Tap on it to see its details. Okay, this is important. Telegram wallet transactions, once initiated, are usually irreversible due to the nature of blockchain. Cancellation isn't typically an option. Check the transaction details for any cancel button, but be aware that it might not be there. If you can't cancel directly, your best bet is to check the Telegram wallet's help section or FAQs. Look for information on stuck or failed transactions. This section may offer specific guidance. Another avenue is to contact Telegram wallet support directly. They might be able to provide insights or assistance depending on the situation. You can also use a blockchain explorer, a website that lets you track transactions on the blockchain using your transaction ID to see if it's still processing or has failed. Just search Blockchain Explorer on Google and paste your transaction ID. A word of caution: be extremely wary of anyone offering to help you cancel the transaction for a fee. This is a common scam. Never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Stick to official Telegram support channels.